Hey guys, it's Jeremy from AmazonTropics.com, and finally we have our fish from Colombia. It's kind of late, but I wanted to be sure that I picked these fish up, and I didn't want them to sit at the airport too long. This is definitely the ultimate unboxing because I helped collect these fish, so super excited. There should be some apistos, there should be some cories, there should be some encistris. There's also killifish, some imparfinish, the shrimp cats, some Hemilura cara. So let's open this up and see what we have. You know, if the fish are all in rough shape, I may not even air this video, but now the hard part's going to be, there we go, we're able to get in. So here are the fish. I don't see any heat packs. Where are all the heat packs at? Oh, there we go. Well, not so warm. A little worrisome, especially since that box was not taped on. This one is. And I might not be able to pull this off on camera, but that's why we edit. All right. There's this. Again, these heat packs are not warm. I don't believe that the heat packs were fresh, so that's worrisome. Well, guys, I'm going to work on these fish, so I'm going to cut the video. Let's see if anything's alive. Cories, encistris, super excited for those. Hemilura cara, Farluellas. Here are these. These are the tetras I really wanted. Sorry, I'm not showing you guys very well, but looks like I also received a pair of CW106. Well, that's good. There's the Farluellas. Man, these are honkers. What the? That is not a wood cat. That's a Pimadella type cat. Oh, no clue where he's going. Here are the Imparfinis. Hoplo cats. I forgot I also collected Hoplos. Copella. Compacta maybe. We don't know what species yet. This must be Killie Central. There must be a bunch of Killies in here. Yeah, the big Killies are in here. We really didn't need such a big bag. We just kept them in there for a bit. Hopefully the small Killies. Yeah, small Killies. What are you? You're a wood cat. One little wood cat. Intermedia complex. And some more Killies. Alright, let's get cracking. I'm going to put fish away. I'll share the fish later. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Again, ultimate unboxing. I'll share more once the fish are settled. Have a great night. My name's Jeremy from AmazonTropics.com.